Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Hey guys, asikhulumeni ngeSherwood. Ngicela ukuqala ngokuxolisa nje kwi-country ne. Isimo sama-foreigner bengingasazi ukuthi sibad kangaka. After ngibone ama-video ase-Sherwood ne. Ila ngibone khona ukuthi sonke sihlala eSouth Africa. Kodwa ama-experiences ethu nge-South Africa awafani. Mina nje, I had no idea ukuthi isimo sibhedi kangaka. Ngiyangi-understand? Bengifisa engazuthi uMalema ubengaya eSherwood afike abone lento esiyibona kuma-video. Guys, iDurban bane 100% right. Futhi sibonga ukuthi babe nesibindi. Sibonga uphakela umthakathi ngoba uJacinta as intombazane uyeye bayameya, ubemeya intombazane. Bengeke azayenze yedwa lento. Sibonga nje isibindi sikaphakela umthakathi ukuthi ahambe ayoseka uJacinta. Ngoba uyabona imovement ukuthi sikhulile manje. Mina I had no idea ukuthi kubhedi kangaka kanti. No guys, no. Ayikho i-country ekulesa simo lesiya esikusona thina. Angeke. Ayikho i-country engaba nabantu abawu-7,000 abasuka kwenye i-country abangenawo amaphepha. Akwazi. Abantu abaningi kangaka guys baqhamukaphi. Bebehlala kuphi? Ngoba uyababona ukuthi isimo sabo asikho right. Yazi once waba kulesa state ukwenye country kusho sekufanele ukuthi ugoduke. Kunomehluko. Yababona abantu abaseSherwood nalabe kade sibabone airport abaseGhana. Kunomehluko omkhulu kabi. Labo bantu bo2 labevumbuka khona. Bebephila impilo ezingafani bobabili. Uyayibona impilo bephilwa ama-Ghanaians, uyayibona impilo ebephilwa yilabo abaseSherwood. Angifuni ukukhuluma yezingane ngoba abantu besifazane sibuye singayinakekeli. Angeke uthi la uhlala khona awunamaphepha, you don't have a decent job, ukuya eclinic khona kumahala ujike uzale. Ungayicabangeli nje kwayiwena lokho. Ungacabangeli ingane, ungarespect ingane, ungayithatha indaba yokuzala serious nokungayicabangeli kona wena. So sengithi mina ke ngishilo futhi lento na Facebook, it's just that abantu bakhona bakwazi ukufunda so abayizwanga. Ngithi mina thina sikulesimo esikusona manje ngenxa kahulumeni wethu. Angeke eAlgeria naseMorocco ufice lesiya simo. Niyangi-understand? Angeke eAlgeria naseMorocco ufice lesiya simo lesiya. Ngoba nina, ngoba uhulumeni wakhona ngeke aze asivumele. Umuzi kini mawungekho umthetho, umuzi ongenawo umthetho kuba iJackin House. Kamakhelwane ingane yakhona nangala iage group eyodwa. Kodwa le yangala ngoba kunamthetho bazofika bazoshaya induku kube umuzi kwenziwa ama-house party. ISouth Africa ke leyo. EAlgeria nako Morocco ngoba bona banomthetho angeke lento eyenzeka la eSouth Africa ngeke izeyenzeke khona. So sengithi mina since iMalawi iletha amabhasi after 2 days, labantu sekuphele bani? Sekuphele u3 weeks bese Sherwood. kuyabanda, kuney'ngane, kubanga ukudla, ayikho into engenziwa. Kuzobe kusuka kuba khona oyedwa ogulayo mase yashona, or kuzoba khona umampintshana bagxubane omunye ashone, or kushone ingane. Igama liselizobuya ukuthi i-refugee camp yase-South Africa ikanje kanje kanje kanje. You understand? Emva kwalokho thina sizobukeka njengabantu abambi kwamanye ama-country. Sengithi ke mina, ugovernment since kuyifault yakhe le, akakhipha amabhasi phela, akahamba yeka ko-Intercape, akahamba yeka ko-Greyhound, ayosho ukuthi ngicela nithathe labantu nibagodukise. Mase-ke after-ke sebegodukile-ke mayese send i-invoice eMalawi sebeyokhokhelana ngendlela abakhokhelana ngayo. Akacaphune kuyona le mali yethu tax ngoba vele nabangani bakhe bayayidla. Uyayizwa lonto? Ongcono ayenze into ezokwenza ukuthi sonke siyi-country sikhululeke. Ngoba yabo manje labantu, yabo nje namhlanje kade sebeqala ukulwa betoyitoya. Kuzolimala amaphoyisa. Into engiyibukayo. Laba abantu baningi badlula amaphoyisa. Into engiyibukayo bazolimala amaphoyisa. The fact that askis ugovernment wabo ukwazi ukuthi abayeke balale ama-weeks, ulala ama-weeks epaki, akanandaba nalabo bantu. Akanandaba lowo muntu nalabo bantu vele. Sebe inkinga yethu-ke manje, sebe ibhebi yethu. Kunokuthi kuloke kukhisha ukudla, benika ukudla everyday, kunjanjani everyday bebabysithwa. Yabo manje amaphoyisa sinawo namaphoyisa enough. Amaphoyisa ayobabysitha abantu eShowood, kuntshontshwe imoto zabantu eSiphingo. Amaphoyisa awakwazi uku-attend. Makuthiwa kusuka isixakaxaka kuyadutshulwana eGateway, amaphoyisa agcwelephi? Agcwele eSherwood. Igebengu ziyayitanasela koSiphingo, ziyayitanasela koClaywood, cause vele amaphoyisa ayashoda, amaphoyisa agcwele eSherwood. Kunokuthi nje kuloke engabe kuyiwa phambili khona into eyenzakalayo. Ugovernment wethu akakhipha amabhasi abahambe labantu. Abahambe, akakhipha amabhasi nje bahambe ngoba vele inkinga yakhe le. Uqala phansi manje sithi hayi abahambe ngendlela abafika ngayo, angeke isisize ngalutho leyo nto. Ngoba labantu badla kuthina everyday, either way ithina sibafidayo everyday. Makhona olimalayo manje lapha yakhona ogulayo, either way uzohamba ye ku-government hospital still usayodla i-tax. You understand? Akavele nje ayilungise lento uRamaphosa, kushawa i-meeting fast, khisho Intercape, khisho Greyhound, bahambe labantu. At least sazi ukuthi sidilile neMalawi. Uyabona? uMalema akahamba uMalema lapha afika ayibuke le yanto. Akahambe le yanto uMalema afike ayibuke, abone ukuthi abanye abantu baphila under ingcindezi kangakanani. Yebo ngiwomunye wabantu bekade ngayiboni lento, kade ngayazi, bengayazi. Mina mokhuluma ngama-foreigner around mina. Namanye ama-foreigner ahlukene kabili leyo. Mina mawuthi foreigners ekhanda lami kufika labafana abahlala la laba bahamba ngoMercedes omakhelwane bami bahamba ngamapholo. Mawuthi Congolese ngibona amantombazana ona ama-saloon mina hamba ngezimoto enamasonto emhlane. Mawuthi Nigerians mina ngibona lama Nigeria oni izindlu la omakhelwane bami obani uche. Uyayizwa lonto? Angibazi mina laba abantu. Mawuthi abantu baseMalawi angibajwayelanga, ngazi la bengisebenza nabo kumabhele abayisebenzelayo kumabhele. You understand? Mawuthi amaZimbabweans mina ngazi amaZimbabweans asebenzayo. Mawuthi nje iZimbabwe ngine picture abantu bani engimaziyo osebenza ehotela, ipicture abantu bani oyi-caregiver, ipicture abantu bani usebenza e-restaurant. Uyayizwa nengishoyo? Nginaleyo picture, angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani lapha yangaphandle. Ngiyomunye wabantu mhlawumbe kusho nomali emfana nami. Ngiyomunye ongazi, ngithuke ngoma ngibona indaba ivideo ukuthi no man. Asikwazi ukuthi singagcina abantu vele abangacontributing ngalutho kwi-economy yethu. Uvele nabo bayixakekele. Uvele bayixakekele kugqilazeka onesi bakuma government hospitals. asikwazi ukuthi singenza kanjalo. No man, leya nto yaseSherwood ingivula amehlo. Indaba yaseSherwood ingivula amehlo. uRamaphosa akasheshe ayilungise. Kungaze kulimala amaphoyisa, akasheshe nje ayilungise. Akayilungisa akathumela amabhasi.
This issue at Sherwood of Malawians obviously preparing to go home has actually awakened so many South Africans to say, what do you mean that this is the situation? Like, especially those that stays in the suburbs, those that works good jobs. Obviously, they do not interact with these people that are in the local communities, rural areas. So obviously, they have no idea. So this lady is actually surprised and shocked at the same time to say, "Hi, Bo. Maybe Umalima is also like me," because obviously, remember, Umalima is someone who have got his own money. So he does not stay around these people. He's not affected that much. Let me put it like that. So he wouldn't know the sufferings and everything that goes down in the rurals, that goes down in the location. Maybe that's why he is saying what he is saying. But for me, with this one, I feel like the issue at Sherwood, like it's bad. With that one, I don't even want to lie, it is really, really bad. And yes, she is 100% right. There is a difference between Malawians and Ghanaians that went home. Like, you can see that the situation is very bad. And the fact that they've been there for days, their government is not saying anything. It just says a lot. It tells you a lot that you want to know about the country, because why are they not saying anything? Why are they too slow? Because remember, in that group of people, there are also women who have given birth, few weeks, few days, few months. It's a lot. And also small kids, they are there. Why is the government not trying to get something just like what Ghana did? Because those people from Ghana did not even take time. Like, they did not take time. They did not guys, and it's a lot, and it's very sad and heartbreaking at the same time, thinking about it, seeing those videos of women carrying young kids. It's very heartbreaking, man. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section.